Hey guys, what's up? It's time to unbox the Xiaomi Redmi 9C, and this is a new budget phone from Xiaomi which is costing around 90,000 PKR in Pakistan market. So in this video we're gonna unbox this phone and let's see that the Xiaomi what is has we offer in this price range. And guys, also this phone is powered by a MediaTek Helio G35 chipset, which we also see on the Realme C12. And the Realme C12, it is a little bit expensive phone than the Redmi 9C. So now let's quickly open this box. And guys, we get a 1-year warranty card with one more plastic on the top. Let's remove that. And this phone gave you a 64GB of internal storage with a 3GB of RAM. And now let's open this box like this. And you can see here is the Redmi 9C, and this is a blue color. Now let's out the phone from this box, and you can see here is the Realme 9C. Now let's out the phone from this plastic, and you can see here is the Realme 9C, and you can see on the back we get a matte finish, which is a really good feature on this phone, which I really like. Also on the back we get a triple cameras on the back, which is very similar to Realme C12. Now let's put the side here and look inside the box. And guys, we get a SIM ejection tool, and inside of this mini box we get a quick start guide. And also we don't get any silicone case with the Xiaomi Redmi 9C also, which is also not available with the Realme C12. Now let's put the side here and look at the adapter. And guys, here is the adapter. Let's see the ampere rating. It is 5 volt with a 2 ampere. It is a 10 watt normal adapter that you're getting with the Redmi 9C. And also we get a massive 5000 mAh battery size with the Redmi 9C compared to a 6000 mAh battery size on the Realme C12. And guys, also we get a micro USB cable with the Redmi 9C. Display size on this phone, it is a 6.5 inch 720p IPS LCD display like that. And now let's quickly boot this phone up. And you can see, now let's see the physical overview of this phone. On the bottom we get a speaker, micro USB port, as well as a microphone. And guys, on the left we get a SIM tray, and you can use one micro SD card with 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full flash SIM slot. And guys, on the top we get a headphone jack. On the right we get a volume up and volume down rocker with the switch on button. On the front we get a 5 megapixel front camera. This phone feels really lighter than the Realme C12. And guys, also we get a MIUI version 12 on the Redmi 9C right out the box. Now let's quickly set up this phone up. And guys, here is the first boot of the Redmi 9C, and you can see. And now let's go to the settings. Let me increase the brightness a little bit. And now let's go to the settings. And this phone, it is running on Android 10, and you can see this phone, it is running on Android 10. And also we have a MIUI version 12, and you can see this phone give you a 64GB of internal storage out of 52GB. It is available for you guys. And guys, also the Redmi 9C give you a really good software experience as well. And guys, I also really like this wallpaper on this phone. Now let's look at the camera. And guys, here is the camera UI of the Realme C12. And guys, this phone gave you a 13 megapixel main lens, and also you get a 2 megapixel macro lens and a 2 megapixel for depth sensing. Now let's see the fingerprint scanner speed on this phone. And the fingerprint scanner speed, it is also really quick on this phone, as you can see. And you can see here is the camera UI on this phone. And guys, also you get a HDR as well as a AI feature on this phone. And you can see, now let's take some sample shot. And you can see, and the picture quality is also really good on this phone. And this phone comes with a 13 megapixel lens. And guys, also get a portrait mode on this phone, which is work on object as well. And in the mode section we also get this feature on this phone. Let's see the video recording size. And the back camera only shoot full HD with a 30 fps video recording size. And you can see here is the macro lens on this phone like this. And you can see, and you can take very close-up shot. Let's see the front camera. And the front camera, it is coming at 5 megapixel, and the front camera also shoot full HD with a 30 fps video recording size. And guys, also we get a pro mode with the back camera as well. And the portrait mode, it is also available with the front camera. And guys, overall I have to say that the Redmi 9C is one of the best phone that you get in this price range, because the MediaTek Helio G35 chipset as well as a massive 5000 mAh battery size. This phone gave you at least 1.5 day of battery life without any problem if you are also a heavy user. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Redmi 9C. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.